For years, astronomers have made a terrifying, ironclad promise. 4 billion years from now, our Milky Way and the neighboring Andromeda galaxy are going to crash head-on, merging into a single, chaotic megagalaxy. But in June 2025, a team of researchers ran the latest tracking data from the Gaia Space Telescope through over 100,000 supercomputer simulations to map the exact physics of that crash. The data returned a drastically different future. The probability of a direct head-on collision dropped from an absolute certainty down to less than 2%. This discovery invalidated a decade of galactic forecasting, proving that our standard models were missing the most critical variables in the local universe. The analytical flaw in the older 2012 models came down to a matter of isolation. Earlier researchers treated the impending crash between the Milky Way and Andromeda as a simple geometric equation between two objects. This diagram illustrates what physicists call the two-body problem. If you place two massive objects in a completely empty vacuum, their gravitational pull will always drag them together in a perfectly straight, unavoidable path. Looking at this wide artificial void around the dots shows the problem. Calculating a galactic trajectory this way is like predicting a car crash in an empty parking lot, completely ignoring all the other traffic driving right next to you. The equations from 2012 were mathematically sound. They were simply mapping a scenario that didn't match the densely packed reality of our actual cosmic neighborhood. Major galaxies rarely drift through space alone. Just as a planet like Jupiter drags dozens of moons along its orbit, giant galaxies anchor their own massive satellite galaxies that travel with them. Our Milky Way is anchored by this massive structure, the Large Magellanic Cloud. It holds roughly 10% of the mass of our entire galaxy. That generates enough localized gravitational pull to physically warp the shape of the Milky Way's outer spiral arms. Across the void, Andromeda is traveling with an equally massive counterpart of its own called the Triangulum galaxy. By modeling the universe as a completely empty room, earlier scientists were filtering out this immense, overlapping gravitational crossfire happening right in our own cosmic backyard. When the researchers in 2025 finally programmed the specific mass, position, and velocity of these two massive satellite galaxies into their simulation, the results fractured. This animation shows the immediate result. The straight trajectory of the two-body problem dissolves entirely, replaced by a highly unpredictable four-body gravitational dance. Tracking these diverging lines, the simulation shows that roughly 50% of the time, the pull of the satellite galaxies yanks the main bodies entirely off course, resulting in a clean near miss by a gap of 500,000 light-years. The other 50% of the time, the orbital paths scrape against one another, creating a violent grazing collision rather than a direct dead-center impact. Instead of fusing into a neat, uniform structure, a grazing impact causes the outer gravity of both galaxies to violently tear out long bridges of stars, forming sprawling structures known as tidal tails. The introduction of this chaotic four-way interference prevents a swift crash. It acts as a massive braking mechanism, delaying any major interaction from 4 billion years to at least 7 billion years from now. The math remains unsettled today. A follow-up simulation using an even denser set of observational variables recently nudged the probability of a direct collision slightly back up from that 2% mark. Astrophysicists are colliding with a phenomenon known as the cosmic butterfly effect, a reality where galaxy-scale forecasting is incredibly sensitive to the smallest possible miscalculations. This timeline diagram demonstrates the exact problem. If scientists miscalculate the mass or velocity of a single satellite galaxy by a fraction of a percent, that tiny error compounds exponentially over a timeline of billions of years, creating a massive cone of uncertainty that rewrites the ultimate trajectory of trillions of stars. Because of this deep sensitivity to microscopic errors, no computer on Earth will ever have the processing power to map the exact future of these galaxies with absolute certainty. By pulling our focus away from a deep space event 7 billion years in the future, we run into a much shorter ticking clock right here in our own solar system. In roughly 5 billion years, our sun will exhaust its primary fuel supply and rapidly swell outward into a red giant. That wall of expanding solar plasma will incinerate the inner planets and swallow the Earth whole, eventually leaving behind nothing but a fading white dwarf star. humanity will not physically be here to look up into the sky and witness whether our galaxy ultimately crashes, grazes, or completely misses Andromeda. Despite this inevitable end, we have already used the data from a single telescope to map every potential path of a collision 7 billion years away. We are currently the only species capable of charting the chaos of a future we will never live to see.